Hi viewers, today I'm going to show you how to put the gold pin on a PCB board. First you have to put the pin on, then here, and I will show you. There isn't any pin, you can see after that. I'm soldering now. Pictures popping on my mind. All these occasions, let's work it out with me. I don't think it hurts to give another try on it. You can see the beautiful soldering. Professional soldering. One thing done. Now I will show you. I hope you like it. And the next one, I have to take off the pin connector, then put the new one. Very tiny soldering at the back side. It's not easy, but I'm going to show you how to take off the pin and put the new connector. Take time. When you're done, you can see beautiful, and you can see the hole. And now we are going to put a new one. Here is a new one. Okay, let's starting now. Here we go, just put in. Now I'm using magnifying glass. You can see that magnifying glass. It's up to you. You can use what size of soldering. It's better you can use 0.1 or 1.5 should be fine, and 1.02 millimeter is okay. Now you can use all of them, but it's better you can use small one. Here we go. Very tiny one. I will show you after that how I did it. You can see that I done it. Beautiful soldering. After that you have to clean and done everything. Thank you. Thanks so much for watching my soldering video. I will show you more in next video. Thank you. Thanks so much.